How to install MiTree. Go to Window, Package Manager, and select My Assets tab. In the search bar, type for MiTree or select it from here. Click Download. Once the download is complete, click Import. The Import Unity Package window will appear. Click Import and wait for process to finish. If your Unity version differs from mine, a request screen will appear. Click Yes to continue. You may also be prompted to update some incompatible scripts. Click Yes to make them compatible with your Unity version. The import is now complete. Close the package manager. Now let's test it. Go to Samples folder and locate the Meteor sample. You will see a Meteor scriptable object here. Select it and click Show in Designer. If the windows appear, the installation is complete. We will discuss this window in the next video.